Hello, everybody. Well, today I will discuss about pronouns. Whenever we talk to people or we talk about them, we do not always use their names. Do we? No. We use terms such as he, she, I, it, etc. For example, he is going to Kolkata. Over here, the word he will be treated as a pronoun. So then what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. নাউনের জায়গায় বা নাউনের বদলে যে শব্দটা ব্যবহার করা হয় সেটাই হচ্ছে প্রোনাউন, আর কঠিন কিচ্ছু নয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল, কার্তিক হ্যাজ আ বালুন হতেই পারে। We can use or we can frame the sentence by writing he has a balloon instead of Karthik. The cat is sleeping. It is sleeping. This is how we can frame the sentence. Now, some pronouns or certain pronouns which we use every day or practically on a daily basis are he, she, I, me, you, they, them, us, etc. Now, we use him or he for names of males. পুরুষদের নাম বারবার না বলে আমরা মূলত তাদের ক্ষেত্রে হি বা হিম এই দুটি প্রোনাউনেরই প্রয়োগ করে থাকি। বোঝা গেছে? Similarly, we use she or her for names of females. মহিলাদের ক্ষেত্রেও আমরা বারবার নাম না উচ্চারণ করে, সেটা শুনতেও একটুখানি অড লাগে, কানে খটকা লাগে, বারবার একজনার নাম না ইউজ করে she or her এই দুটো প্রোনাউন ইউজ করেই থাকি। I, me, you, we, us, they, them. These pronouns are used for names of both males and females. পুরুষ এবং মহিলা উভয় ক্ষেত্রেই আমরা এই যে প্রোনাউনগুলো বললাম I, you, me, we, us, they, them, এগুলো ব্যবহার করে থাকি। Now, coming to it. Now, it is used as a pronoun to denote animals and things. It is also used, the word it is also used to denote time and weather. For example, it is 9 o'clock, or it is so hot today. Now, pronouns can be singular and pronouns can be plural. So, what are singular pronouns? I will give you an example. Now, before giving you an example, let me tell you that a singular pronoun takes the place of a singular noun. ঠিক আছে? For example, Ria lives in Mumbai. We can also frame the sentence by writing it like this, that she lives in Mumbai. The flower is red. We can also write it is red. Likewise, as far as plural pronouns are concerned, they take the place of plural nouns. For example, father put biscuits on a plate. Father put them on the plate. Sadia and I are friends. We are friends. Is that okay with you? All right. So with that, I would like to conclude or put an end to my lecture session, friends. Thank you very much for giving me your valuable time and watching my video from first to last. Thank you very much once again, and goodbye.